This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm talking about dash camera can record audio while driving. Nowadays, all dash camera comes with the audio recording feature, and I'm sharing you three different dash camera. One is Azdome M580, the other one is Azdome M550, and the last one is Tiesfong 4-channel dash camera, and I will show you the output. And this is a testing sound of Tiesfong 4-channel dash camera, and I hope you are listening clear sound. This is a testing sound of Tiesfong 4-channel dash camera. This is a testing sound of Azdome M550 dash camera. It's a 3-channel dash camera. It comes with the front, rear and interior camera, and I hope you are listening clear sound. This is a testing sound of Azdome M580 dash camera. It's a 3-channel dash camera, and it comes with the front, rear and interior camera. And this is a testing sound of Azdome M580 dash camera. This is a good video for people who wants to buy a dash camera and want to see the result of the audio recording while driving. If you are interested in MetaQuest VR headset videos, then click on this playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in this video.